Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this makeup look using a few products from the Balm, one of them being probably their most popular product that I've never tried before, and it's been around forever, that being their bronzer, Bahama Mama. Like, where have I been? I don't know. Should have tried that a long time ago. So I created this makeup look using some of the Balm's products, older products, but why not revisit older products? And why does it always have to be the latest and greatest? We can revisit older favorites. I also am trying out a locally made product. So yeah, if you would like to see how I created this makeup look, then just keep watching. All right, the first product that I'm going to use and show you guys, I picked up this week from a beautiful local babe in my city. She is a makeup artist as well as just artist, graphic digital art. And she collabed with the lovely body. Her name is Bianca, and I will link her Instagram so you can see some of her work. And they created this nourishing lip balm, and it's all natural products made here. So the flavors in it are lime, mint, and vanilla bean, and it is just so nice. It goes on like really creamy, and you can smell it. It smells like summer. Just, it's so good. I just want to eat it. And it's a nice, just nourishing balm. It's not greasy. It lasts throughout the day while I'm drinking coffee or whatever, eating. And I absolutely love it. So right now it's only local, but maybe someday in the future they'll do online ordering, and that would be pretty cool. So we are a very rich art community in this. Not rich as in rich, but there's a lot of talented artistic people where I'm from, and I just love to watch the community grow. I love to see the local artisans, men and women, just, I don't know, I'm just such a proud person of where I come from. So I just love to see everybody really doing well. So absolutely love it, Bianca. Yeah, so good. I will also link the Lovely Bodies website so that you guys can check it out and just see what other products they have. I looked to see if this one was on there, and it wasn't yet, but maybe soon they will have it up as well. I'm going to start with this eyeshadow palette that I've had for a while. This is the Foiled Again palette from the Balm, and I picked this up at Winners a while ago, and since I was using a couple of Balm products, I thought that I would pull this one out to do an eye look with it. So I think that I'm just going to keep it pretty neutral today. I don't know if we will be out swimming or spending the day outside. It's pretty hot out, so I think I'm just going to keep it pretty neutral. So I'm going to start with this silvery blue gunmetal color called Behind Bars, and I'm just going to take an angled brush and I'm just going to start along my lash line. Today's been one of those days where you're like, I wanted to film, I wanted to get up and do that, and it was just like something was always stopping me. Like, you know, when you want to do something, you want to get something done, and then it's like you can't, you get a phone call, you got to do this, you got to do that, and it's just been one of those days. Now I'm going to take Arrested, and I'm just going to blend that through and just kind of buff out this color. We got our pool up, yay! So excited to just hang out by the pool. Euro Cup starting, soccer. And we have our TV outside, so we can just hang out by the pool and watch that once the kids are done. Hopefully they'll feel like they should just wrap up school early because, yeah, they're not back in class. And I just feel like when the warm weather comes and after the May long weekend, which is Memorial Day in the States, I think the kids are just checked out. They are done. I feel like everyone's just done. Like they should just stop there. But they keep going. All right, now I'm gonna go with the color shade. What should I do? I'm gonna go with Incarcerated, which is more of a neutral, cool shade, and I'm gonna just blend that up onto my brow bone. Now I'm gonna take Unmask, which is a warmer brown color, and I'm just gonna keep that more on the outer V. All right, I love the way this is looking. I love that the liner is just kind of smudged out, and it just, those two cooler neutral and then a warmer neutral just kind of blended out really nicely together. So I'm gonna go with Incarcerated and just a square brush and just drag that under my lash line. All right, this is where tight lining works really well, and this is why I love doing it so much. I think if there was just one thing I could do with my makeup, they were only going to give me one product, it would be eyeliner to tight line. It just looks unfinished to me when you have a nice smudged out liner and you just have the brightness of your eyelid right here showing. This really thickens up your lash line, and I love the way it just cleans up the look. So I just go along and I just kind of close my eye over top the eyeliner and just drag it across the under part of your eye. See? Look at the difference. Like it just finishes the eye so nicely and just makes your lashes look so much fuller. All right, I am actually living for this eyeshadow look. It's super neutral, nothing out of this world or any real kind of special technique or color, but I used to actually do this with navy blue eyeliner, is use a navy blue eyeliner with a neutral color. So just using any kind of dark blue navy color mixed with neutrals, especially with blue eyes, I don't know. It's super neutral and basic and nothing special, but I just love the way it looks, especially in person. It looks different in person than it does with the light and on camera. All right, time to get into the bronzer, the Cult Classic. I feel like this was probably the bronzer that everyone was using when YouTube was first starting, like Bahama Mama with the MAC Soft and Gentle as a highlighter. I should use that as a highlighter today, actually. That would be funny. I have never tried this. I have never tried the Bahama Mama, and it was on sale. I think it's at our Shoppers Drug Mart. It's usually like $20, and I'm like, I don't want to spend $20 on drugstore makeup. I will with NYX. I will do it with NYX. But I was just like, I have a lot of bronzers, but it was on sale for like $13. And I was like, I should try it. I should give it a whirl, and everyone's probably already seen this and used it before, but I haven't, so I wanted to try it. So it looks like it's got a little bit of a sheen, but it is pretty, like a nice golden neutral that's showing up more golden on camera, but I love how it kind of has a sheen to it. Not like a sparkle, glitter, brightness. It looks pretty matte, but it has a sheen. Does it say anything on here? Bronzer for a sun-kissed look. And I didn't wear any what kind of brush do I want? I haven't put any contour on. I just wanted to use this as a bronzer all over, so I'll just use this fluffy brush so I don't pick up too much. And let's give it a whirl. That has a nice finish. That has a nice smooth finish. Sometimes it's okay to just revisit old products, like something that they are known for, like NARS Laguna, NARS Orgasm. Like that blush, I love that blush and that bronzer. And this, I can see why was the bronzer. This, and I feel like Hoola, but this feels a little bit warmer and more creamy than the Hoola. It's definitely got more pigment. This is really good. If you guys have this, let me know in the comments if you have it, if you still use it. If you don't have it and never tried it, and you want a nice bronzer for the summer sun-kissed look, I think this is it. Oh my goodness, it is actually such a smoothing bronzer. I want to compare it to the Charlotte Tilbury. Let's see. Let's grab the Charlotte Tilbury and open it up. Okay. So, this is definitely more neutral. Got some more warmth to it. The Charlotte Tilbury has more of a reddish undertone. You're not going to be able to see this, I'm sure. Can't really see it, but the Bahama Mama on top has like a nicer kind of sheen to it. This is good. This is so good. I really like it. All right, so I looked in my bathroom mirror away from the ring light. I can't really turn it off because it'll just create not nice shadows. Like you won't see what I see. My tan looks so good. So good. It's like the perfect neutral, not too warm, not too cool. Let's see if I can compare it to the CoverGirl, the True Blend, which I was loving so much because it's got a really nice smooth finish too, and like a little bit of sheen. And so this one, I feel like you could just keep building it up too. Like you could just keep working with it. See how this one's just a little bit warmer? This is so nice. So smoothing. It's gorgeous. Like why? What am I missing something? Is it just because it's old? People don't use it anymore? It's so good. It's amazing. I love it. So I just used a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray because I want this to last all day and all night and into eternity. Like I just love it. I'm not even going to add highlighter. I just want it to be like just bronze. Like I just want to look tanned. Like I don't even have any contour on. Alright, so I picked up this product as well from the Balm, Plump Your Plucker lip gloss. I don't know if it's gonna have like a tingling effect in it, if it's Plump Your Pucker. I hope not. I hope it's just looks plumping because it's a lip gloss. And this is in the shade Overstated. So the Balm had a bunch of stuff on sale. That is why I thought I should pick up a couple products. Ooh, ooh. So this has a lot of sparkles to it. I love that. It's like a nice peachy, neutral, golden lip gloss. Yes, I'm here for it. I love a good neutral peachy lip gloss. All right, let's put it on and I'll tell ya if there might be plumping stuff in here. Yes, I feel it. I feel that menthol. Okay, so I thought that it might have more pigment to it. It doesn't. I'm okay with that. I wish it did actually, because that's a pretty color. I wish it had more of a pigment to it. I'm gonna let it sit and I'm gonna see if maybe it's not a tingler. Or maybe it's not. I hope it's not. Because I feel like if I wore this out, especially in the sun without SPF under it, I would burn my lips. It might be a little bit of a tingler, but not too much. Okay, I'll be back. All right, so it's not like a really tingling, burning lip plumper. It's just a light, mentholy feeling. I think that I would just prefer it as a lip topper. I went over it with the Nude Lust by Maybelline. If you hear my kids yelling in the background, they're playing mini sticks. And yeah, it's not a school day, it's Saturday today. I preferred if it did have a little bit more color to it, more pigment. It's pretty, it's glossy, I like the sparklies, I like the tone of it, so I think it'd be really pretty over top of lipsticks. And if you just want to give your lips that extra full look, but I prefer my Catrice and the Lifter just if I'm doing a once over where I'm not applying lipstick as well, just a once over gloss. They have more pigment to them, but this bronzer, oh my goodness, I wish I tried it back when it was huge and it was a favorite. It's so good. I didn't put on any highlighter, just went over it with the setting spray. I keep saying every bronzer that I get is my favorite, but this is my favorite right now. Like, it's so good. It's so good. I should go through my bronzers and just kind of compare them all. But this, oh, I love it. It's so good, you guys. If you are in the market for a mid-range bronzer, try it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you use it, if you don't use it. Yeah. So this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I hope you guys all have a fabulous weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video.